All right, guys, next stop is the Grand Design Solitude 388MBS. This one's got full body paint, super good looking rig. So let's start up here in the front. It is generator prepped. We already got our batteries, all hydraulic. I'll bet you, yep, we got our inverter, everything already ready, built in. Nope, there's the inverter prep right there. So that was the converter. Let's walk around, see what all we got going on here. So your standard 30 pounders, probably one on each side. Huge pass through up here. We got another one right here. Up, slam latches. Not a huge pass through, but it's got a spot for your TV and stuff right there if you wanted to set one up. You got your campsite shower, more ride steps, rack and pinion slide. You got your 3000 series awnings ×2. Nice ladder up to the back. Hitch on the back side of it. Another rack and pinion on this side. 2 rack and pinions on this side. Super sexy. The bedroom is on a Schwintek. Your Furrion water heater. And the other side of this monster pass-through on this side is locked. So we won't be checking out that side, but it's all good. And we are sitting on a more ride 5th wheel hitch in the front. All frameless windows. Pretty sexy. All right, so let's go inside this thing and see what Shelley K's got to say about the inside.
Okay,
what do you think?
Michael and friends, come on in. Take a look at the 388 MBS. This thing's a beast. 42 11 inches. I've never seen this floor plan. It's absolutely beautiful. Perfect for full timing. I really like it.
42 foot 11.
42 11.
That's a big girl.
First of all, coming in, it's dog friendly. Already has the screen defender, very nice. Also comes with the safety rail.
Yeah,
I'm just
stuff that we've already put on ours.
I was going to say, I'm pointing that out because those are like upgrades that we did to our reflection. So coming in, look at this beautiful floor plan. I mean, you can have a party in here, right? Like you could seat 6 people there, a couple people there, 4 people at the table. This thing is just beautiful. So starting up here at the rear, you got this nice big rear window here. TV's on a televator. You got a little bit of storage right here.
To hide all your remotes.
Of course, you have the fireplace for the ambiance and the heat. They have an electronics drawer that has outlets and USB in there.
No USB-C though, that's weird.
Storage on both sides as well. They point out here too that there are Rockford Fosgate speakers in here, which is really nice because, again, the speakers in our unit are not so great. Lots and lots of storage up here. I mean, you know, all of these open.
You're not getting in it.
Well, I'm not going to get the top one. That's for you. That's for you to hide all of your treasures.
I like it.
All of these windows, I'm not a huge fan. I'm just going to be honest. I don't like these wind out windows because they don't open very far.
You literally get 2 inches.
Yeah. So, I mean, you can get a little bit of ventilation. So, I guess that's not bad. This furniture is really comfortable, though. I already was sitting on it. This is a fold out, so we can sleep more. More storage up here. Of course, these also recline. These over here also recline.
These are your power recliners over here,
yes,
though.
and look at all of this window space. I mean, you could just see everything forever. Now, I will point out, too, so those windows right there are the dial-out ones, but, like, right here is an up and down window.
No, that's a dial-out one, isn't it?
Oh, sorry, this one is.
Oh, this little guy over here.
This one is an up and down. These side ones right here, on here, and at the other end of the slide, those also open up all the way.
So you can get a little bit of cross breeze.
Yeah. So you got the table and chairs instead of the dinette. I know that you're a fan of that. No carpet, so the slide is pretty
pretty flat.
Smooth, flat. Yeah. Coming in here into the kitchen, you have the drawer for your
double trash.
Great storage up there. You got the travel Wi-Fi. Above here, you have the
Oh,
drawer.
the fancy spice rack.
With the fancy spice rack. Very nice.
Nice.
You got the microwave. Just a standard microwave.
Not a convection.
But look at this. 4-burner stove, guys.
Nice.
Really nice.
Oh, wow. Look how deep that is.
Oven.
You got several selections of where to put your shelves.
Forever. You got really nice drawers here. Oh, and again, everything is soft close.
Soft close.
Yeah, so really nice there. Just more storage all through here. Of course, you have the little cup washer. That's all the thing these days. Just drawers. You have the pet dish.
Nice. And the fridge and everything's on a slide, right?
Yeah. Look at this really nice pantry here.
Oh, that's very nice.
Very nice.
And as the slide comes in, it just slides over top of your countertop.
Yeah, and so you will be able to access your refrigerator still, not the freezer, but you can access the fridge.
You got a 12-volt.
Nice, really big fridge.
It's a Norcold. I've heard pros and cons of the Norcolds. Nice basket down there.
Big freezer. Okay, so now let's go check out my new office.
Yeah, this is kind of the game changer. This is the reason we decided to come in and do a video on this rig.
Sorry that it's dark. They don't have any electric power to this unit yet, so it's dark in here. So you have this pull-out desk area, right? Mm-hmm. Then you still have all these drawers for storage. You got the TV. Got this pull-out sofa. This also comes down and is a bunk.
Right.
Yeah.
And it's got the fantastic fan up there, so you can get some stuff moving.
Yeah, I don't know how. I'm curious to see how it would do air-wise, like on hot days. Yeah. I mean, it is vented.
You have 2 vents up there for your ducts, so.
Let's see. Nice window in the hallway. There's also the central vac right there.
Here's all your widgets.
There's also a nice place for you to stub your toe.
Yeah, that's a toe stubbing machine right there, for sure. That mounts the Moride stairs.
So here's a funny thing. I thought this was a bottle opener. I was like, that's a weird place for a bottle opener. No, that's a light.
It's a hall light.
I don't know why they would have it located there. Nice. Oh, double closet. Okay, there's your hat space.
There's my hat space. Got a little closet for the coats. I dig it.
Come on
Another
in here.
Giant window.
In the hallway.
But it's the crankouts, man.
Yeah.
They're just not great.
Yeah. So here, we come back here into the bathroom. It's really nice and big, guys. Check out this bathroom.
It's the double entry from the bedroom.
You have the fold-down seat in the shower, and then you have the car wash set up here. That's what Michael likes to call it. That's a prime pooping position for sure.
For sure.
Matt would like that.
Yeah, you got plenty of space there.
I like this bathroom sink, nice and big. The mirrors are kind of small, but, you know, big enough.
Now, what is a hair tool accessory drawer?
Ooh, well, let me show you.
Look at that.
So you got your outlets and little places for your, you know,
your iron and your
curling iron, hair dryer,
and such,
etc. Okay, so then you have entry here to the bedroom or there.
Over here.
So come on up.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Okay,
She's a dork.
I know, I am.
So this says it's got a CPAP shelf.
It's just special for that.
I guess.
110 USB and USB-C.
So a nice big place. If you do have a CPAP, you got a place to plug it in.
And they have the USB-C here.
Yeah.
Little above the...
collapsible. Why did they make that collapsible?
Because maybe you don't want that. You're like, this is a useless shelf to me, and then it looks like the headboard. See?
Okay. I'll give you that.
That is why.
So some windows, east-west bed.
Okay, yeah, king bed.
Okay.
Storage.
A little bit of storage in there.
Mm-hmm.
Then what's under the little front door there?
This is interesting to me.
Oh, you have a kick-out shelf?
Yeah, but why when you have this?
I don't know. For your water bottle?
But why when you have that? Okay.
So there's a little space.
For your rifle. YouTube's going to flag me because I said rifle.
That's all right. Flag away.
Okay, and you have the little secret compartment. Drawers.
I don't think they're considered secret compartments anymore because everyone's got them.
prep for washer and dryer.
Yep.
Very nice.
Nice big closet.
Nice big closet. They also have the labeled clothes hamper.
Yeah, that's nice.
And like it comes out. So that's what you need to know.
Okay,
like,
so you can
once
just take the
fill
bag with you.
And you take, yeah, see the bag just unhooks.
Okay.
And you take it to the washer, and which is right over there.
Right,
it's really far,
which is kind of weird.
But you can take it out and like dump it,
Sure.
right?
Now, I saw one of the little shelves over here on your side that fold out too.
Well, that would make sense. Well, again, but you have
gives
this.
Yeah, but it gives you a little bit of something.
Extra. Yeah. Now, this is not as comfortable of a mattress, but that's okay.
But it's something.
Yeah, so this is a really nice unit. Got the double ACs. Does it come with any solar at all?
I don't know. I can't get up on the roof.
Oh,
everything's blocked off. They're so tight packed in here. So I'm going to assume no. It is inverter prepped up front. So I'm going to guess it's probably solar prepped, but not solar already.
Yeah. This is a really beautiful unit, though.
Yeah.
I really like it. Like,
pretty nice.
For full time, this would be really great.
Yeah.
It's not what we're looking for, but
if you're looking for a full-time rig.
Yeah.
She's a big girl. You don't need a big truck.
MSRP is ping.
You can't ping.
I can too. I ping. I do what I want.
You do what you want.